bold love for my Dagupan. My mission as a queen, lure people how beautiful our city is. The true Panda Dagupan of the North. Day in and day out, from sun up to sun down. The mission transcends beyond to the Queen of 2010. As the sun sets down, I hand over to her my most precious crown. Behold, the beauty of Dagupan. An awesome life at night. The uniquely Dagupan way. Celebrating the beauty of Dagupan nightlife. Christine Grace Chu Avelino, Miss Dagupan 2009, and welcome to the show.
A market that never sleeps. Marian El Callejo, 20, certified Dagupenya. Food, great gastronomic delights. Juana Marie M. Solomon, 20, a proud Dagupenya. Twinkling lights, fascinating spark. Chesapeake Jimenez, 18, my city, my home. Leisure all night long. Janine Vidi Guzman, 17, true fashionista. Fine entertainment at its best. Almea Duiz M. Dizon, 17, party lover.
Fresh bounties abound the city. Muriel S. Leano, 18, goal-oriented.
Fascinating smile, warm faces. Marla Viray Razon, 18, a congenial beauty. Fine tranquility and relaxing ambience. Alana Gazelle C. Quizon, 20, high-spirited. Tasty as sauteed beef craze. Karina Angela Z. Romero, 20, uniquely Dagupenya. Time with friends, time wisely spent. Arlene B. De Vera, 17, sentimental, endearing. PC Street, gathering tea. Rijaika J. Alcaide, 17, your best tour buddy.
Live at the bangus capital of the world, an emerging cosmopolitan city fit to crown a new beauty. This is Miss Dagupan City 2010. 12 outstanding personalities in the quest for the most prestigious title, Miss Dagupan City 2010. The pageant.